Is it time to buy or sell Supermicrocomputer stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Supermicrocomputer. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 9th of April, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 31st of March, 2025, our system has identified Supermicrocomputer as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -1.80. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Interestingly, the stock has outperformed our system's predictions, achieving a gain of 7.21%. This results in an average return of 0.90% per day since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock is currently positioned within a broad and weak upward trend in the short term, indicating a likelihood of further increases within this trend. The ongoing 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 9% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from -11% to 88%. When considering the longer term, our analysis over 12 months projects a change of about -55%. Our calculations suggest that the stock's performance could vary from -100% to -37% over the next year. In practical terms, this means the future price could fall anywhere between $0 and $23.08. Our latest daily update for Supermicrocomputer includes the headline, High Volatility in Supermicrocomputer Stock Price on Wednesday, which ended trading at $36.71. The Supermicrocomputer stock price gained 15.77% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 9th of April, 2025, rising from $31.71 to $36.71. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated 19.06%, with a low of $31.41 and a high of $37.39. The price has fallen in 6 of the last 10 days and is down by 0.89% during this period. Volume increased on the last day along with the price, which is a positive technical sign, with a total of 9 million more shares traded than the previous day. In total, 69 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $2.55 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $102.03, while the lowest price was $17.25. Currently, the price is 64.02% or $65.32 below the 52-week high, and 70.13% or $86.19 below the all-time high on the 8th of March, 2024, when the price reached $122.90. Supermicrocomputer Incorporated, commonly known by its ticker SMCI, has been garnering investor attention amid a favorable landscape for the technology sector. Recent analyses highlight that the robust growth in cloud computing, the Internet of Things, and artificial intelligence, combined with a resurgence in semiconductor stocks, positions SMCI positively in the storage device industry. With sharp market volatility, investors are increasingly seeking stocks with strong sales growth, making SMCI a notable contender. Adding to the intrigue, there has been speculation of a potential short squeeze, following significant buying momentum spurred by favorable news regarding tariff delays from the Trump administration. This situation could lead to a fluctuating stock price in the short term as traders react to market sentiment. Moreover, ongoing investigations into the company's management could influence shareholder confidence and stock performance, a factor to monitor closely. In the longer term, sustained investment in artificial intelligence and associated technologies could significantly bolster SMCI's fundamentals. As companies continue to capitalize on artificial intelligence, Supermicro's relevance in providing essential infrastructure to support these innovations makes it a stock to watch. Overall, SMCI's current positioning amid these dynamics suggests both short-term volatility and potential long-term growth, making it a focal point for investors navigating the technology landscape. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 10th of March, 2025, it was reported that Goldman Sachs assigned SMCI a neutral grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 18th of February, 2025, it was reported that Wedbush assigned SMCI a hold grade with a hold action. On the same day, Tuesday, the 18th of February, 2025, it was reported that Loop Capital Markets assigned SMCI a buy grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 12th of February, 2025, it was reported that Wedbush assigned SMCI a neutral grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 6th of November, 2024, it was reported that Needham assigned SMCI a mixed grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general buy rating to Supermicro stock. They consider the price-to-earnings ratio as neutral, while the price-to-book ratio is rated as sell. Regarding return on investment, analysts have awarded the stock a strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Supermicro. There are mixed signals in the stock today. The Supermicro stock holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average. However, the long-term average indicates a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, this creates a general sell signal for the stock, leading to a more negative forecast. If the stock experiences further gains, it will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $39.90. Conversely, as the stock declines, it will find support from the short-term average at $33.39. A breakout above the long-term average would trigger another buy signal, whereas a fall below the short-term average would introduce an additional sell signal, thereby strengthening the general signal. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Wednesday, the 19th of February, 2025, and so far, it has decreased by 39.07%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Volume is rising alongside the price, which is considered to be a positive technical signal. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal 36 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 15 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 24 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 13 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 2 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 37 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Supermicro. Supermicro finds support from accumulated volume at $36.07. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when this support is tested. The stock may experience significant movement during the day, indicating high volatility. With a sizable prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to carry a high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $5.99 between its high and low, which is a movement of 19.06%. During the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 15.08%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Supermicro, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. A relatively low PE ratio could signal a low expectation for the future of the company, or that the stock is undervalued, indicating a potential buying opportunity. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is expected on the 29th of April, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at 52 cents. Keep an eye on these numbers, as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Supermicro. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Supermicro is at $39.68. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Supermicro encounters its first support level at $36.07. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Supermicrocomputer from multiple analyst sources is to buy. Now, let us examine some recent insider trades. On the 31st of March, 2025, Angel Scott conducted an insider purchase of 0 shares. On the 28th of February, 2025, Blair Robert L. conducted an insider purchase of 13,600 shares of common stock. On the 28th of February, 2025, Blair Robert L. also executed an insider sale of 13,600 shares of stock options, which is the right to buy. On the same day, Blair Robert L. conducted another insider sale of 13,600 shares of common stock. Additionally, on the 28th of February 2025, Blair Robert L. sold 5,860 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined that insider sentiment is positive, with a ratio of 20.129. In total, insiders purchased 4,019,557 shares and sold 2,900,162 shares in the last 100 trades. We hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and there is currently no stop loss established. Is Supermicrocomputer stock a good buy? Supermicrocomputer shows several negative indicators, and we believe it will continue to perform weakly in the coming days or weeks. Therefore, we hold a negative outlook on this stock. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, the 10th of April, we anticipate Supermicrocomputer will open lower by $1.54, starting at $35.17. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.